Welcome to my channel Z Tech. In this video we are going to learn how we can fix Avast error UI failed to load. So let's start. So basically this is because of when we uninstall the Avast, some of file remain in our computer that cause this type of error. So we have to remove that files. So we can remove it simply by uninstalling it correctly. So you have to follow my steps that I am doing to remove it correctly. Simple, you have to go to the link that I have provided you in description. So here we have to download uninstall utility of Avesta. Simply click on that download hash Avesta uninstall .xl file. Click on it. Your downloading file will be appear. After that you have to download it and you have to open it. As you can see, Avesta antivirus file, uninstalling antivirus file is now opening. My net is quite fast, so here it is an option. It is recommended as to reboot in a safe mode for uninstalling Avesta. Basically this error is caused when we uninstall the Avesta from control panel. It remains some files, but when we uninstall it from using this method, no file will remain and our error will be solved and we can get high protection. So simply click on yes, and then it will appear that the system will restart and open in a safe mode. So we have to save our work. So simply click on yes, then our computer will shut down and restart and open in a safe mode where we can uninstall Avesta correctly. So we have to wait, and here it is, we are in a safe mode. After reinstall, I skip those steps. Here we can change the path, where we have to browse that path where our Avesta has been stored or our files has been appears. So here we have to select the version that we have installed in our PC. So select the version correctly and then you have to uninstall it. So by doing that you can uninstall the Avesta easily and all the files of Avesta will remove from our PC. So then you can go to Avesta website and download the latest version, or otherwise you can go to my new video that I have uploaded how to download Avesta. Thank you for watching. I hope your error will be solved. Please comment below if you have any problem. Thank you.